What's up guys, it's been a while. Making this video because I finally got my Los Angeles Film School tech kit. And I'm gonna show you guys what they actually give me. And this is the tech kit number 1. I'm in my 3rd month of school. And I'm currently on cinema history on the 4th week. So we're learning about like Alfred Hitchcock and all that good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys what I got. I'm using my Sennheiser mic right now for the audio. Hope it sounds good. I know everybody who did the unboxing have the same box. So when you guys get your guys' first tech kit in, you want to make sure that you're home because you need a signature on this, and they're pretty anal about it, getting the signatures, because they don't want anybody stealing it. Because this is, I think this whole thing costs around like $5,500. And let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Got the seal. Oh. This thing is not that heavy, but oh, nice. Okay. Oh, nice. They gave us a mouse too. Awesome. So this is it. So let's go ahead and so this is the tech kit. And you got to make sure that you're actually account for all the items in here. So we have the MacBook Pro in here. We got the low jack. So basically the low jack is like if it gets stolen, you can locate it. I got a register. First thing, we got the USB-C portable dock. And this is very important because I don't know if you guys know, if you guys own a MacBook before, the new MacBooks, they take USB-C, no longer the regular USB, the standard USB. But then these have the actual USB hubs, the regular USB hubs on it. Looks like a generic one. The Magic Mouse. Funny because I actually broke my Magic Mouse. I'll show you guys. Look at this. Because I was trying to figure out like why is it like keep disconnecting from my computer. Come to find out this thing is a piece of crap. So I'm probably gonna throw this on eBay because it has the shell and all that. Don't mind the hair, that's all my chubbies are. Okay, the mouse. We got the 4 terabyte USB drive, USB-C drive. So this is the Thunderbolt 3, which is faster than the normal 2.0, 3.0. I should have dropped that. We got the Mobile Light G4 reader. So this is actually a card reader, meaning I don't know why they gave us this because I don't think we need this. Only because we already have a card reader on this dock right here. So this is just an extra, I guess. And we got the Type-C to regular USB connector. I'm so curious of how much we're paying for this because I know that these are not that expensive. You can tell it's a generic brand. Okay, so you can just peel it right here. Bango. Oh, I thought it would flip out. And we got the MacBook Pro. Bango. This is pretty heavy. So let me check the specs again on this. All right, so my MacBook actually I get right now is a 2.9 i7, and this one is a 2.3 i9, and this is an 8-core, not a 6-core like the other. I think I have a 6-core, but it also comes with a 512 gigabyte SSD and 16 gigabyte of DDR memory. To be honest, I wish they would have gave us 32 gigabytes because that's pretty much standard. This is the minimum, and the work I'm gonna be doing, like a 30 minutes or 1 hour show or whatever, it helps when you have 32 gigabytes. Has a touch bar. I'm not really too sure. From my understanding, this thing cost about $2,400. It used to be $2,700 before, but now the price dropped because, you know, like there's new ones coming out. And it's 2,400 now on Best Buy. This whole kit together costs around what, 50, almost 5,500. Only because we also have programs. They didn't give us just only this. They're actually giving us the programs too, the software, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Movie Magic, movie scheduling, and all that other good stuff. And those are not cheap, and I think they're good for about the whole time I'm at school, because it's probably subscription based. And also this comes with, we also bought a, what is that, a 3-year Apple Care. I was gonna sell this, to be honest, because I wanted an iMac, but I don't think I'll sell it, only because if I sell it, I need a backup. And to be honest, the MacBook I have right now actually is water damaged, but it's still working fine. And I'm surprised how like how long I had it and it's still working. And I got it for dirt cheap, 800 bucks. I bought it from a military guy, and the specs were like maxed out basically. And that's a good deal. Remember, this is $2,400, 27, I guess you could say. And that's it for the unboxing and the LA Film School tech kit. I'll see you guys later. Peace.